Hi friends, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe now. Click the bell icon next to it and select All to ensure you don't miss any of my latest videos. The speed of light is 300,000 kilometers per second. What object has ever reached this speed in this world? Light is energy made up of tiny particles called photons. The fastest man-made object, Parker Solar Probe, travels at 191 kilometers per second, which is 690,000 kilometers per hour. Do you understand that light is the fastest thing in the universe? The time it takes for such light to reach the Earth from the Sun is 8 minutes. The time it takes for the same light to reach the Moon from the Earth is 1.33 seconds. Let's go into the universe once and come back. There are many billions of galaxies in this universe. Each galaxy has trillions of stars. They are not all side by side. Each star is a few light years away from its nearest star. Therefore, it is not possible to say whether this infinite universe has a particular shape or not. There is no such thing as a fixed shape. This is the beginning. It is not possible to say that this is the end. Even if we travel to the edges of the universe, we will not know anything. Scientists say that this universe is not just one, there are many universes. They are called parallel universes or multiple universes, but their properties are different from each other. That is, scientists say that there is not only a visual universe but also a multiverse. Now we need to understand that there is a great universe with more universes than the infinite universe in which our Earth is located. If we think that going beyond the solar system is a big task, going beyond our Milky Way, which has many such solar systems and a universe with billions of Milky Ways, is really serious, isn't it? Let's take a break here again. There is an idea that if we can travel at the speed of light, we can swim or fly through this universe from one corner to the other. Similarly, no energy or matter in this universe can exceed the speed of light, let alone reach that speed. Billions of stars, black holes must obey this speed of light. Even time exceeds the speed of light. It is impossible to travel. If someone could travel at 100% of the speed of light, their age would not change much as long as that journey continued. Scientists have calculated that our observable universe is spread over a range of 93 billion light years. The age of those who travel at the speed of light would remain constant. That is, if they travel at the speed of light, everything would remain conceptual, but it is impossible to reach that speed. It is not even possible for humans to reach the wave speed of electrons, which are billions of times smaller than humans. Indeed, with the development of human civilization and technology, we can travel at 90% or 99% of the speed of light, but scientists firmly say that it is impossible to reach 100% speed. According to the theory of relativity proposed by Einstein, it is said that when the speed of light reaches 80%, time seems to have stopped. And what if the speed of light reaches 99%? Then time seems to have completely stopped. So if we reach a little more speed, time seems to have stopped even more. It seems that this situation is getting worse as we approach 100%. We call this situation time dilation. This should not be thought of as a theory. It is the same as it was in the beginning. This is our civilization. If we reach the second digit, we will not be able to understand time dilation even if we reach 20% to 50% of the speed of light. Physicists have announced that if you travel at 50% of the speed of light to any habitable planet 40 light years away beyond our solar system, instead of 80 years, you will need 69 years, which means you will have 11 years. If you travel at 80% of the speed of light, you will reach a distance of 40 light years in 30 years. Where it takes 50 years, 20 years will add up and you will reach there in 30 years. The reason for this is that time dilation is that to a person on Earth, your entire journey will appear to have taken 50 years. Time dilation does not affect a person on Earth. Another fact is that at your destination, this means that if a person is waiting for you on an exoplanet 40 light years away beyond the solar system, that person will have been waiting for your arrival for 50 years. Your age will only increase by 30 years while everyone else in the spaceship will experience a 50-year age difference. This is all due to the effect of time dilation. If you are a member of a next-generation civilization and are traveling at 90% of the speed of light, it will take you 19 years and 4 months to reach that 40 light-year distance, meaning you will add another 19 years to your age. When you get there, it will take 45 years for those aliens on Earth to welcome you there. When traveling at 50% of the speed of light, it would take 69 years. When traveling at 80% of the speed of light, time would slow down even further and take only 30 years. When traveling at 90% of the speed of light, it would take 19 years. When traveling at 99% of the speed of light, it would take 99 years. If you can travel at the speed of light, then time will be reduced even further, so much so that it will take only 5.6 to 6 years, meaning that if you travel from Earth in 2023, it will take 40 years to reach there. However, due to time dilation, you will reach there in 5 years and 6 months. When you travel at 99% of the speed of light, meaning that you are now 25 years old, when you travel at this speed, you will be 30 or 31 years old. However, your friend on Earth, who is 25 years old, will be 65 years old. If you travel at 99.99% of the speed of light, then your age will increase by only 7 months. Due to time dilation, the speed of light in this state is unimaginable. If you want to cross the universe at this speed, what will happen if it also travels for 100,000 years? You will be traveling in the same spaceship for these 100,000 years. Do you want to know which parts of the universe you can travel to and move forward in these 100,000 years? Are you surprised by how exciting this amazing journey will be? Let's go on an infinite cosmic journey beyond the dots and beyond the directions. In 2023, you will start your journey from your home planet Earth in your space vehicle at the speed of light. Remember that this is a long journey. If we think there is life anywhere near us, let's go there first. An exoplanet called I-700D is located 101 light-years away from Earth. Do you remember what an exoplanet is? It is another planet outside our solar system that may be suitable for human habitation. It is speculated that there may be water on this planet. Moreover, it is similar to Earth in the sky. It is believed that the gravitational force is also the same as that of Earth, which means that it may have a favorable atmosphere like Earth. When you leave in 2023 and travel at the speed of light and reach there, it will be the year 2124 on Earth. Global space research organizations like NASA, ISRO, will have to observe you for 101 years and follow your existence. They will be looking for your presence. Even if you are observed for 101 years, your age will only increase by 5 months per year. That is, if you were 25 years old in 2023, traveling at the speed of light in a space vehicle, which is 99.99% of the speed of 99%, by the time you land on the 700D planet, you would be 26 years and 5 months old. But this is not a great thing. There are many other mysteries of the universe. Now let's move on to the Orion Nebula, a region with dense clouds of air and dust in the streets of stars. The birth of stars occurs in the nebula itself. It is near the Orion Nebula because it is very bright and can be seen from Earth with the naked eye. This is what we talked about earlier in the astronomy lesson. Now you can travel there in your space vehicle. It is 1,344 light-years away from our Earth. The Orion Nebula is 3,367 years old when you reach here. Due to time dilation, your age will increase by only 19 years. This means that if you left at the age of 25 on Earth, you will be 44 years old when you reach there. 1,344 years will have passed on Earth. If you travel past the Orion Nebula and travel towards the center of the galaxy or past the black hole of Sagittarius A star there to study the stars orbiting around it, then if you travel at 99.99% of the speed of light, then by the time you reach this place, which is 26,000 light-years away, your age traveling in space vehicles will increase by 368 years due to time dilation. 26,000 years have passed on Earth and the year 28,023 is passing, which means that a new era has begun here. Civilizations have changed. Compared to them, your technology is far behind. And that's not all. In 26,000 years, there have been great changes on Earth. The technology that has developed. Civilizations are traveling in spaceships with the technology of the year 2023, doing the same thing for 368 years. The technology that has developed. Civilizations are traveling in spaceships with the technology of the year 2023, doing the same thing for 368 years. Your age is 25 plus 368 is equal to 393 years. What development has not happened? I had to give such a long explanation just to understand how time dilation has affected it. Traveling at the speed of light is not a simple thing. After which star is Sagittarius? Let's go to the Tarantula Nebula. Near our Milky Way galaxy, we have the Large Magellanic Cloud, which is 61,000 light-years away. The Tarantula Nebula is a part of the galaxy that is home to the hottest, most massive and brightest stars. The Tarantula Nebula is the largest star birth region known to us in the universe. Our scientists have recorded supernova explosions in this nebula. New stars are born and old stars die in supernova explosions. This nebula is so bright that we can even see it from Earth through a telescope. If you were traveling to such a place at a speed equal to the speed of light, that is, 99.99% of 99% of the speed of light, when you reach this place 161,000 light-years away, your age would increase by only 2,265 years due to time dilation. The same applies to people on Earth, whose age would increase by 161,000 years. After the Tarantula Nebula, let's move on to the Andromeda Galaxy. It is 2.5 million light-years away from Earth. Scientists say that in 4 billion years it will become a vast galaxy, surpassing our Milky Way galaxy. It will take 35,358 years to get there, but 2.5 million years will have passed in the Milky Way galaxy and the Andromeda Galaxy. The conditions you see in Andromeda now will not be the same when you get there. Suppose you look at some habitable planet in that galaxy from here and leave. When you go there, the civilizations there will have changed as you imagined, or the planet itself may have been destroyed. What a strange space it seems, doesn't it? At the same time, this excitement and your curiosity about space are all interesting information for you. This is also a feast of science. In fact, the Milky Way galaxy and Andromeda galaxies are only part of the vast local group of galaxies. Scientists say that these are a total of 54 galaxies. They are said to be spread over a distance of 1 million light-years. The largest galaxy in this group is Andromeda, the second largest galaxy in the Milky Way galaxy, and the third largest galaxy in the Earth. The Triangulum galaxy is 2.7 million light-years away and is 61,000 light-years across. Due to time dilation, it will take you 38,000 years to reach here. This means that you will visit the first 3 galaxies in the local group when you are 38 and 25 years old. That is also a time dilation effect. But you are still in our universe at the local group galaxies. Remember that. Let's go to the last galaxy. According to the determination of scientists, the last galaxy in the local group where our Milky Way galaxy is located is 5.8 million light-years away from Earth. So its name is IIC 5152 galaxy. We were able to see every star in this galaxy that the James Webb Telescope showed us. Why should we tell you about your journey? Due to time dilation, it will take you 82,000 years to reach here. What scientists say is that by trying to make your speed equal to the speed of light, 99.99% of the time, instead of if you can accelerate to 99.99%, you can reach the IIC 5152 galaxy in 800 years, which means your age will be 8,025 years. This is also due to time dilation. Don't forget that as you approach the speed of light, time slows down due to the effect of time dilation. This means that if one day passes for you, more than 1,000 years will have passed on Earth. When you are approaching the speed of light, if you think that your age in time dilation increases from 1 to 25 years, your friend on Earth's age will increase by 1,000 years. This time dilation phenomenon in space geography amazes our scientists. Okay, you have reached the IIC 5152 galaxy, but the gravitational force of the local group of galaxies still works for a long time. To overcome that gravitational force, if you want to go outside the local group of galaxies, this 99.99% speed of light will pass within a period of 100,000 years. Through time dilation, you can only reach an area of 7.1 million light-years in 100,000 years. Our visible universe is spread over an area of 93 billion light-years, which means that it takes 141,000 light-years to cross the local group galaxies at 99.99% of the speed of light. The real effect of time dilation is when you travel at 100% of the speed of light. As soon as you reach that 100%, your time ends and slows down. So far, I have been observing time dilation at the speed of light, but time dilation can also be observed at supermassive black holes, where time does not slow down but stops. Scientists also say that this is a phenomenon. If you want to understand it, you need to work harder. Okay, tell me how much time it would take to reach our universe at the speed that NASA's Parker Solar Probe is traveling. At the moment, that is the fastest vehicle made by man. And if NASA or anyone else can travel at the speed of light, are you planning to make a device or a spacecraft that can observe this universe? What would happen if our ISRO made efforts in this direction? If our ISRO had the budget of NASA, it would make your hair stand on end. And what did you think while watching this video? Do let us know what you know. We cannot come to you. You have crossed the space somewhere. We cannot come to you. You have to come back to Earth and tell us. Will we be there till then?
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to be notified of future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.